is Valentine's Day 2021. It is currently 24 degrees in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm in my shop with no heater because I live in Texas and this isn't something we normally do. This box was a birthday gift for Mrs. Penguin. Miss Penguin, I need you to close your eyes for a moment so I can show the viewers what this box looks like real quick. Okay, Miss Penguin, you can go ahead and open your eyes again. The only rules that I'd had for this project is that she was not allowed to see the type of wood, see any stage of the box being built or created or finished or anything. And as of this moment, as you were watching this, she still has not seen the box. She won't get to see it till later in the video. Welcome to the show. Let's do it. Let's just, yeah, here. Roll that beautiful bean footage. She wants a stash box for her birthday, so I'm gonna make her a stash box for her birthday. And the first step is getting some wood. Oh yeah. Got some maple ambrosia and a piece of whinge process. So the first step to making a stash box is to make the damn box. I needed a box, so I built a box. Now the box needs a lid. So the first step of making a stash box lid / rolling tray is to make the damn lid / rolling tray. Now you may be asking yourself, or you may not, I don't know, but that piece of wood was not shown at the beginning. And well, I've been learning a lot of lessons on this project, and those lessons have come at the expense of certain pieces of wood. So the original box lid, I screwed it up. I had a scrap piece left that I got into shape, improved that technique that screwed up the first one, but then another technique ended up trashing that one. So after a childlike temper tantrum and a volley of swear words, I ended up getting a piece of walnut for the lid. So with the lid, I'm gonna put a wipe-on poly on it, got that all routed out. I'm gonna fill the bottom of this with black resin. I'm going to do a vinyl sticker, the serotonin molecular symbol, before doing the poly. So I need to get that made, get that weeded and put on. So first step to putting a vinyl sticker on the lid of your stash box / rolling tray lid is to make the damn vinyl sticker and put it on the lid / rolling tray. So I'm using a black epoxy in the rolling tray, and I've already done that, but now I need to do the epoxy for the inside of the box, and I'm gonna do like a cotton candy pink, kind of light blue swirl coloring thing just because she likes those colors. So the first step in making a stash box and filling it with epoxy is to fill it with epoxy. Big reveal, but hold on, we are going to pause it so Miss Penguin can go ahead and unwrap her box, but you can go ahead and keep enjoying the show, and then once she's opened it, then we'll finish.
Cold pizza Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for that new wave. I think I like it how it is. Cold pizza on a Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge.
Thank you for sticking around till the very end. We really appreciate it. The next video is actually going to have some kind of important information about Penguinafterdark. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell notifications, boom, and check us out. Thanks again. And babe, I love you. Happy birthday.
My shoestrings untied, I'm running full speed, with scissors in hand. I love pointy things, let's fall on the floor next to all of our needs. Let's lose inhibition, let's fly like our dreams is reality. Real things ain't quite what they seem.